we struggle. Still we hustle, we hustle, we hustle. Them know how we make it. Them try put up barriers, we break it. We struggle, we struggle, we struggle. Still we hustle, we hustle, we hustle. Them know how we make it. Them try put up barriers, we break it.
Yes guys, welcome to another video from KD's Everything channel. So basically guys, the boss, he bought some sand and cement in his van, so I'm just gonna begin to take it out until probably the mason come down from level 4 or whatever. I started it, but now I need to record it so you guys can see. So here we go. Mortar finish? Huh? Merwa? Sun is shining beautifully.
The sun is so beautiful. The sun is so beautiful, it's true. When I saw the sun, I don't know what to do.
So guys, I just finished removing the cement because it is wetting underneath the sun. As the sun is wet, see, it's very wet because the rain fell. The rain has been falling for some time, so the sun is wet. So basically, you know that the cement blocks are like paper, right? So you can't allow them to wet, or else if the cement hasn't been used, it will harden. So I have to take it out. So stay tuned for part 2. As I'm going to remove the sand, but I have to make some more mortar, okay? So just stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Again, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring some people in. Thank you for watching.